Okay, as you can see now, I have the brake caliper right there on this brake line, but this is very strong because it's metal, and I have the brake caliper there hanging. It's not really that heavy, it's a small brake caliper. Now I'm going to remove the brake pads, but there are two spring, one here and one here. These two clips I got to remove, and it's easy to remove. You just pull like this, pull the other one out, place it down like that. That one goes on top. Pull this other one here, 1, 2, place that right down there. And these brake pads, when you slide them out, if you look really good here on there's a prong here. So this prong here, this prong, I'll have to use this pick here to press on this prong and press on this prong right here and pull the brake out. So I won't show that. Okay, as you can see, I now have the brakes out. All right, it's right here, and this one is the one that goes inside, and that has the little metal that will start to alert you and squeak whenever the brake pad is low. This one is already low too also. You see how close it's at, but it's not making contact yet to the rotor. So the noise was coming from the other one, because the other one was worn more than this. After this, I'll do the front brakes, but not today. I'll do another video when I do the front brakes. Okay, and this is the other half of the brake, and this is the new one I'm going to put in. You see how thick the meat is? Has a lot of pad. Okay, and those are the holes that the pin little clip, those little two clips goes into. Okay, and you see how far the metal stuff is away from the brake pad. Okay, so when as soon as I throw these on, there will be no more squeaking. Okay, this one goes from the inside, okay, like this. All right, and this other one goes right here like this. All right, so the important thing is to watch these little prongs, so it goes past this prong and close. Okay, but the interesting part is coming up when it's time for me to press these pistons. I'll need my both hands, so I'll just put the camera to catch what I'm doing, and then I'll go ahead and press it in with this, which is the interesting part. Okay, and like what I say, please subscribe and like. I'm trying to build my YouTube channel, and I do a lot of other jobs. I put in engines and transmissions. Those are very, very interesting to do videos, but